Hey guys, in this video, we are gonna be checking out the 5 best mini trampolines in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you're looking for a mini trampoline that provides easy to use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these mini trampolines, you can check out the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Stamina 36-inch folding trampoline. More than 1,500 reviewers give this trampoline 5 stars and love the workout it gives them. I can actually say this is the first time in years I've really enjoyed exercising, one says. I can do it anytime I want. Instead of sitting, I do exercises instead. Instead of taking a nap, I do some runs instead. Another says that after just using it for 6 to 7 minutes, I'm sweating, rolling down my face type sweating, and another says it helped them lose 10 pounds. One thing reviewers really appreciate is that this rebounder doesn't have springs, which means it is dead silent, which is more than I can say for other brands we've purchased that squeak like crazy. Many other brands use springs instead of bands like this one. One reviewer even says, I could see it lasting several years if you take care of it, not jumping as high as you can, jumping in the middle of the trampoline, not letting kids use it. And while reviewers are mixed about how easy it is to put together, they recommend not. Number 2. Marcy Trampoline Cardio Trainer with Handle. The safety bar is my salvation, or else I wouldn't use one, writes one reviewer. And about 10% of 5-star reviewers agree that it's a favorite feature, especially for safety. The handle is great for when I am using it because sometimes I get dizzy. The handle also makes it kid-friendly, according to about 20% of reviewers. Bought this for my kindergartner who needs to burn off some energy before school, one customer explains, adding, he uses this every morning and loves it. I love the bar for him to hold on to. I feel comfortable with my child on this and don't worry about it tipping or him getting caught up on this. And even though it's good for kids, larger adults also feel safe using it. I have to admit, when I first got on it, I expected to fall right through it after all. Number 3. Stamina Oval Fitness Trampoline. According to the description, the oval shape of this trampoline is supposed to provide greater stability and increase versatility, which reviewers say it does. Since it is oval, it easily accommodates the wide spacing of my feet to help me keep balance, explains one reviewer, while another notes that you can stand shoulder width or do jumping jacks, makes a difference. Not only is the rebounder designed to handle a more complex workout, it holds up to excessive use in general. I've had this for like 3 years now. The fabric stuff around is kinda breaking now, but trampoline still works like new, one user says. I love it. Easy to assemble, did myself and I'm a small pretty weak person. Love this thing. Number 4. JumpSport 250 in-home cardio fitness rebounder. This rebounder is the most expensive on our list, but reviewers say it's worth it. Once you feel the JumpSport, it is literally a night and day difference from any of those other inexpensive models, one writes. My joints, my feet, my knees, and my lower back all sing the praises of this new tramp. Another reviewer says they used to go through a trampoline every month and a half, until I discovered JumpSport. They report, it felt expensive when I first ordered it, but was worth every penny. And nearly a quarter of reviewers also notice the little details that make this a high-quality trampoline. This system is genius in that they use bungee instead of springs, one explains. The design for replacing them is also incredibly simple. Highly recommend paying a little extra for this level of quality. Another says very high quality, shipped fast, easy to attach the legs, and it is nice that the bands have a protective cover to keep us from slipping through while bouncing. And reviewers say you won't be replacing it for a while. One reviewer who bought it for their grand. Number 5. Pure Fun Mini Trampoline. This is one of the rebounders that features the largest jumping surface. Its jumping mat area is 40 inches. The mat is made of a polypropylene material of the highest quality. As a result, you get a sustained jumping from the product. The most amazing thing about this mini trampoline is its ability to accommodate heavy weight. As a matter of fact, it can handle at most 250 pounds of continuous jumping, thanks to its 30 high-tension dual springs, as well as the steel supports. It also has a removable handrail and pads for protection against injuries. Pros: high weight capacity, large